Tim Moore here with TLC Pressure Washing, and let's talk a minute about how we're going to open up the country as most everybody is still quarantining. And it's a couple of weeks they're talking about beginning to slowly open the country up to businesses opening back up, people going out and about doing their normal business, probably with some restrictions in certain areas. But how exactly are we going to do that in the restaurant industry or things like that? Because it's going to be a confidence thing. Everybody's going to want to be confident that when they go out to eat, it's safe again. They want that safe feeling. And of course, you know, your servers and your waiters are going to be wearing masks probably and gloves. That's going to be one thing to make the public feel confident. But another way is in how they clean and how they sanitize and disinfect from here on out. Whether it's in between people eating, cleaning everything, not just wiping the tables down like we were before. They're going to want to make sure that they're a little bit more clean. The booths are clean, the chairs are wiped down, things like that, or sprayed or something like that. One thing that we're doing is, of course, to get this particular business ready to open, at least on the outside, is we're doing a cleaning, we're doing a disinfecting and a sanitization service here and getting this ready. And then it's going to be closed off so that nobody will be in here until they actually open. So this particular pump-up sprayer has a disinfectant in it. And we've saturated this whole thing, which has already been cleaned, and actually it was sanitized with the bleach mixture that we're utilizing right at this point in time. But this is an extra step. This is the type of thing that, you know, businesses are going to want to advertise that we're having disinfecting services. On the inside, it's probably not going to be a pump-up sprayer. It's probably going to be a fogger or sprayer, something of that nature. Out here, I can use a pump-up sprayer because, you know, I can saturate, let it drip off. The droplets don't have to be quite as small and things like that. So, you know, that's going to be a huge help in letting people know that, hey, this business cares that you're going to be safe and they want you to come and eat again and partake of their food and enjoy, but feel confident you're not going to get sick. So that's essentially what the country's going to have to do. That's what we're doing for our clients, is helping them, both the interior and exterior, get ready. A lot of them are going to have us right before they open come in and do a thorough interior cleaning, and then they're good to go, and everybody's going to feel nice, and everybody's going to eat out, and the economy's going to get rolling again, and everybody's going to be happy. But anyway, that's what you want to look at, how cleaning and how disinfecting is going to change as we begin to open up the country in the next week or so. Tim Moore, TLC Pressure Washing.